Now, I would like to narrate one chapati incident, very
Sure.
nice chapati incident, where no, Anantapur girl students, they will always want to do something. So there, that warden and teachers, they will all pray, Swami, plus Swami, please give us opportunity to do something. We also will do. But Swami is very rigid. He doesn't want girls and boys to get mixed up. It's supposed to be separate and all that. So everything Swami said, you guys only handle. But they used to try. And one day, when myself and few of my, my classmates, we were there in bungalow, the other side, the inside, somebody was complaining to Swami. Somebody complained to Swami that chapatis are not good, not in good shape, not fried properly. Maybe
Oh,
if the opportunity is given, we can do much better. And Swami called warden, and Swami was telling warden, you see, chapatis are not good. Ladies are complaining. Some places it is thick and some places it is thin, and it is not in shape, and it is not fried properly, cooked properly. And that is a complaint. Why boys are doing? Can't they do little better? Yes, Swami, I will tell. And then Swami said, "You tell as if you are telling. Let them not know that I am complaining. You, as warden, you tell them that it should be done properly." And we sat and heard the conversation between warden and Swami.
wow.
And Swami, as usual, after finishing everything, he'll come like that, as if nothing has happened. He'll come and enter, and we were all here. Then warden called us after the session was over. Warden called us to his office, and he said, uh, "You see, I'm getting complaints from the guests, out of shape, not fried, as usual, everything. So tomorrow everything should be nice, because if they are happy, Swami will feel happy." Like that he put it. If they are not happy, Swami will not feel happy. No, so we have to make Swami happy. Let us make guest happy. We understood because we heard the original version, and he is giving us a polished version. We said, okay, sir, we will try our best. And we were all sitting and discussing what way we can do. What is the best way to tackle this? Otherwise, the chance of making unrolling will go to the ladies section, which Swami wants us to do, and we should rise up to the occasion. What is the best way to do? Suddenly, I got one idea. I said, hey, let us all roll chapati. Don't worry. If we have the tiffin box, normal size tiffin box, the round dabba is there. No? Some of you take the lid and some of you take the bottom one. You roll whatever shape you want, man, doesn't matter. We will take this and press it. And when you press, it will be round. And the extra, that the thing we can remove, crush it again, we can re-roll it and make that. And then they said, that's a good idea, man. But how to, we need boxes. He said, no, yeah. In Kadugodi shops, we will approach warden. And then 8:30, we went and told warden, sir, like this, our idea. If you can get us some five, 4, 5, at least, tiffin box, we can mechanize the whole thing. And Warden liked the idea. He said, oh, well, that's a lovely idea. It's very nice. He said, don't worry, I will get it. And he got it. And the next day I said, come on, you make Australia, you make Japan, you make Thailand, you make Hong Kong, any India map, all maps you can make. Nothing to worry. Let us crush with this Tiffin box and get the round shape. Because from any country, if you see, moon is round. Moon shape will not change. So any country you make, we will make that moon. We will bring that moon. And finally, that is how we did. And then Swami used to do a surprise check those days. During the session, sometimes Swami will have lunch with the boys and guests. Sometimes, no, he will just take a round when everybody is eating, no. He will just take a round and go. Swami was very inquisitive. Swami wanted to know, is the complaint real? Is it that bad, chapati? So that day lunch, straight away Swami. Those days, no, Swami just walks in into the hostel, just like any student, anybody, he just walks in, and boys will be running behind him, and straight enter the dining hall. Everything is ready, and there after frying, we have a big basket. We will put a white cloth, and inside the cloth we used to put the chapati. The cook will fry the chapati, and he will cover with that white cloth, so that that humidity and its softness, that
Yes,
is a technique
remains
where
there.
the
Mm.
cook will look after that aspect. And Swami came, ఏం చేశారు ఈరోజు? What is the lunch today? Then, the Hyderabad Sevadals used to be looking after the serving sessions sometimes. Swami, this one, that one. And then Yemidi, Swami came to the main issue. Yemidi, basket low, Swami, chapati, Swami. Chapati. And then they opened it. Then Swami picked up one chapati. So Swami was surprised to see pakka, perfect round. So Swami dropped it. Again, he put his hand and picked up another one. That is also perfect round. Swami told that fellow, take from the middle. And that is also perfect round. Then Swami was holding the chapati in his hand. Hey, warden! Hey, warden! And then warden comes running. See, see, our boys made perfect chapati, round chapati. Even ladies cannot make this perfect round chapati. My boys did. And he took the chapati. Guests were seated because ladies eat separately, These are all boys, men's section, no? And he went to the guest line and showing everybody, see this chapati, how perfect. This is rolled by my students, my boys, my boys. And become a big issue that day. It became a chapati day everywhere. Chapati, chapati. That is
So
why I
sweet.
feel Swami always says, my students are my property.
So
I
sweet.
understand. I understand why Swami says, my students are my property. Because given a word, if Swami wants something, come what may, our student community, our batch will stand first and get it done at any cost. Whether it is pain or pleasure, whether it is trouble or turmoil, whether confusion or whatever it is, Swami should feel happy. Swami should feel satisfied. For Swami's sake, anything we can do. And that is how Swami praised us. And Swami, that day evening, what ladies? How was the chapati today? Swami, nice Swami. Yes, my boys are very good in doing everything, Swami. So that is the love of Swami. It is not that Swami doesn't like ladies' campus or anything, but it is just that Swami student, they are also Swami student only. But it is just that Swami wants to highlight the feeling between God and devotee, that student community and Swami. That is what Swami is trying to connect and appraise that.
No,
It's
it's such a